I'm sure you've heard the news. Spiders can be super chill too, especially the St. Andrew's cross spider. This amazing arachnid gets its name from the unique X-shaped web it spins. It doesn't just weave webs, it's an artist. And it's not just for show that X helps it catch prey. Plus, they have a cool superpower. They can vibrate their webs to scare off predators. These spiders are also great parents, protecting their eggs like a ninja guard. Intrigued? Follow for more odd facts about things you never knew you needed to know.